Do you think that the judge should have declared a mistrial today in the Lindsay Clancy trial? And if not, what do you think the future of this trial looks like now after day 19, which was a complete and utter bombshell? I mean, today was truly something. I'm blown away. I have had so many thoughts about this case watching it. Number one, I really do believe that this jury should have been sequestered off. I don't understand how they have not been cut off from all social media, everybody talking about this case with how big this case is. And it was before the case, it was before they started airing the trial. In addition, I find it so odd that every single day the judge has to say, hey, guys, don't look at any social media. Don't be influenced by, anything you see online. Don't even look at anything. Yet there was potentially a TikToker who was going to take the stand in this trial. What do you mean? Of course, I feel like the jury is continuously being persuaded, whether they think they are or not. The only way that they could go about this case, in my personal opinion, in the right way, is to honestly lead to a mistrial so that it's redone and the jury would need to be sequestered. That's my personal opinion. I want to hear if you agree with me. Now today, because Kevin Reddington had requested the mistrial, that's a big deal. It's a very big deal. These lawyers want to be done with this. They do. He wants a fair trial for his client. And honestly, I agree that it doesn't seem fair. There's a lot of influence happening. Not only do we have social media online, you cannot convince me that some of these jurors aren't being influenced by online commentary, news articles. I'd love to believe that all of them are being honest. I just don't think it's 100% possible in today's day and age. But in addition, we are hearing about, people lining up outside of court and showing up and wearing their pink. And then now people are showing up wearing their white in support of Lindsay with pink, in support of the children in white. That is something that the jury is going to see. That is leading to influence. In addition, now today, it was brought up for the second time, religion, and how it is a mortal sin to commit this crime. We have no idea who is on the jury, but there is definitely room for influence and bias if they are continuously bringing up someone's religion. That is going to persuade the jury in one way or another. I just do not even know what to expect. And quite frankly, this is taking a toll on my mental health watching this, because on one end, I'm like, at the beginning of all this, I think I could have been persuaded, but I have no idea what the Commonwealth's motive for Lindsay Clancy is. At this point, I'm wondering if they're trying to throw it out on their own. I'm just so baffled by this. It seems so unprofessional in so many ways, and I think a lot of people feel this way. So I want to hear from you guys. Did you watch day 19? Do you think that this should go to a mistrial? Do you think there's a possibility of a hung jury? Because I do. Anyway, I want to hear all your thoughts down in the comments.